Welcome back to another interesting tutorial about Gmail tips and tricks. And in this video, I will show you how to view all saved password in your Gmail account on laptop. Let me show you how. Very first thing you want to do is to log into your Gmail account. After logging into your Gmail account, go ahead and click on your profile icon right here. And the next thing you want to do is to go ahead and click on manage your Google account. Then here you go. Next thing you want to do is to go ahead and click on password manager right here. Then here you go. You have all saved password across app or web right here. So for you to view any of the password, just click on edit, and then in a few seconds you'll be able to have access back to the username and password of that particular website or app, as the case may be. It's that simple. For more useful tutorial tips and tricks like this, consider to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye.